Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get the SpongeBob voice on the TikTok. So how you can basically do it. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, if you are searching this voice effect on the TikTok voice filters, then you are searching for the wrong. By default, this is not available on the TikTok, but don't worry, I will teach you. So first of all, you have to open your browser and you will get a link from the description fakeyou.com, and this is the website from where you can generate a SpongeBob voice to use it on the TikTok. So you will get a link from the description. I will paste right there. So once you will open it on your browser, after that you have to click here in the voices, and right here you have to search for the SpongeBob. So here you will see SpongeBob voice effects in the different versions, so you can select any right from here, and after that you have to write a text what you want in the SpongeBob voice. Hi, and after that you have to click on this speak. Once you will do it, you will get a download button right here. You can simply download it and use it on the TikTok. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.